Noddy, help! It's a disaster!
What's the matter, Mr. Wobbly Man?
I've lost the remote control from my jelly mixer. Without my mixer, there's no jelly. And, well, without jelly, the jelly bowl is just a bowl.
No jelly? Well, that is a disaster. Wiz will know how to get your mixer working.
Goodbye. How did this happen?
Mr. Wobbly Man has lost his remote control. Then it is a good thing that I just finished my greatest invention. Observe.
A spanner?
What? Oh, I mean this. Where is it? Ooh, Lindy?
On my way. It might be a mess, but I know exactly where everything is. I think. What were you looking for?
Oh. My super-duper control-it-all. With this, I can control any gadget or gizmo. See that magnet?
That's brilliant, Wiz. Just what Mr. Wobbly Man needs for his mixer.
I have only just finished it. It needs a proper test.
I could test it, then take it straight to Mr. Wobbly Man.
Good idea. And I will get to work tidying up around here.
Bumpy, I'm home. Is it time to play? How about tag? Tag, you're it. That was great. Oh, but look at the mess we've made. It will take ages to clear up. Unless... It worked! Let's play clearing up! Hello, Wiz. It's Noddy. Your remote works perfectly. I'll take it to the jelly bowl right now. Hey! Where's Wiz's remote? So that's why my things are going crazy. Come on, Bumpy, hand it over. Bumpy, this isn't another game of tag. Come on, car. Follow that Bumpy.
Very peculiar.
After you, Mr. Jumbo.
Oh, no, Clockwork Mouse, I insist. You go first.
Oh, but you're bigger.
That's true, but I'm allowing you to go first.
Oh, okay then.
What a muddle. We'll soon sort it out if you'll all wait your turn. Jail doors misbehaving, now traffic lights. Very peculiar.
Sorry, Mr. Plod. It did it by itself.
Very peculiar.
We need to get that remote.
Bumpy! How did he get my control at all?
Don't move, Bumpy. Here's a good dog. Oh, no, Bumpy! Careful, car. Careful.
My control it all is controlling everything. Including me!
Excuse me, Mr. Beetle. Could I borrow your hose?
No.
Still no jelly, I'm afraid. Still can't find the remote.
Don't worry. Bumpy's got a remote control that makes everything work. Your jelly's going to save the day. Hey, everybody. I need your help to get Bumpy jumping all over Wiz's remote. Call to him. Get him really excited.
Come on,
Come on, Bumpy. You can do it. Come on, Bumpy. I hope this works. Come on, Bumpy. Let's press it. Let's press it.
Oh! My jelly mixer! It's working!
Bumpy's really sorry about the control it all, Wiz.
Maybe it is safer if everything has its own remote, after all.
It's pretty safe in there. A bit sticky, though.
I'm sure it is all right to take it out now.
I was hoping you'd say that, so I brought some ice cream.
Ice cream? How very delicious!
You see, Mr. Plod, there's lots of different ways for a skittle to fall over. Ooh.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Hello, Mrs. Skittle. Hi, Mr. Plod.
Hello, Noddy.
Noddy.
Or there's this way. The little Skittles love this one. Come on, Bumpy.
That's the funniest so far.
Hello, little Skittles. What's the big secret? Shush.
We're trying to decide on a Mother's Day present.
Oh, what ideas have you got?
A hat.
Flowers. Big, round.
Can you help us, Noddy?
To start with, you need a Mother's Day card.
We've made one.
Oh, it's lovely.
We don't think it's special enough.
I can help you find a present to go with it.
Yes, please. It's a secret.
I think this is my favourite. What? Ooh.
I don't think she heard us. Mrs. Skittle, the little Skittles really want to play with their friend Bumpy. So, why don't I look after them today?
Oh, that's very kind, Noddy. Ooh, I could go and play snakes and ladders. Or visit the paper dolls.
Come for a cup of tea. We can think up some even funnier ways to fall over.
Oh, that would be lovely. Thank you, Noddy. See you later, children. Be good.
What about a big cake?
We did that last year.
What about something she can keep, like a photograph?
Ooh.
A photo?
Good idea. Let's all pull a funny face.
What sort of photo would Mrs. Skittle really like?
Maybe one of us all holding hands?
All right, that's a good idea.
What about if we all do handstands?
But I can't do a handstand.
Oh, I know. Let's all hang upside down.
That would be fun. Or we could all balance on top of one another. In a pyramid!
That would be a great photo. Right, who's going at the top?
Not me.
I will.
There you go. Watch. Stay still, Bumpy. Try not to knock them down.
Not till I've taken the photo.
Hurry, Jessie!
Oh, where's our pyramid? We fell down.
It didn't work.
Oh, dear. I think Mrs. Skittle will love it. It looks like you're all having fun.
We need to think of a better present.
All right, but let's stick the photo on your card anyway. So, what else does Mrs. Skittle really like?
Jelly!
We can make her one.
In Tessie's kitchen. Well...
Let's make a really amazing, huge, special jelly.
This sounds like a job for Mr. Wobbly Man.
Thanks, Noddy. We want 6 little jellies. One from each of us.
All right. 6, you say?
No, we want one jelly round.
And there should be sprinkles on top.
No, there should be chocolate dust on top.
You'll have to decide who wants sprinkles and who wants chocolate. Catch it! Oops!
Can we make another jelly?
I know. Let's make something else.
Oh.
Hello, little Skittles.
Hello, Wiz.
What is wrong?
We're trying to find the perfect present to give Mrs. Skittle for Mother's Day.
But it keeps going wrong.
A present for Mrs. Skittle? I could make something for her in the garage.
A machine! A Mother's Day machine!
No problem.
What would Mrs. Skittle like her machine to do? Sew buttons!
Make ice cream. Play music.
Clean up mess!
Sounds like you need a machine to do everything.
It's an everything machine.
Coming up.
Everything machine!
It does everything, just like you asked.
How do you switch it on?
All you have to do is talk to it, and it will do what you say.
Wow! Mrs. Skittle will love it. Thank you, Wiz.
Can you sew buttons?
Can you spray glitter?
Make ice cream.
No! Do some more glitter! Slow down, Skittles.
One at a time.
Suck up the mess.
Play some music. Do some difficult sum.
Stop!
Oh, dear. Sorry, Mr. Beetle.
Sorry.
Ooh, I'll just go and get some more tea.
Hey? What? That was our lunch!
Mr. Blood, you stopped it. Thank you.
Does this machine belong to you, Noddy?
Yes, no. It's for Mrs. Skittle.
For Mother's Day, we made her a card too. Oh no! Give it back!
Oh, it's ruined. Oh dear. What are we going to do now?
It's a mess.
Oh, hello. Did you all have a nice day? Oh, is this for me?
Sort of. Maybe.
Yes.
The Skittles made it for you for Mother's Day.
We wanted it to be really
But
special.
the photo went
And
wrong.
then the everything machine sucked it up. Jelly on it.
Oh, now you won't like it. We'll get you something else.
Oh, it's the best Mother's Day present I have ever had. It's wonderful. I love it.
Really? Mum, what is that?
Handmade by all my children. And it's got everything I love the most on it. Jelly and ice cream. And a picture of all of you.
What a lovely card! And an excellent falling down photo!
It is, isn't it? I think that is the funniest way to fall down.
Thanks for helping us, Noddy. Oh, hello, Bumpy. You want to play fetch? It's much too early for that. Playtime doesn't start until the cuckoo calls. Oh, let's get some more sleep.
This is the life, eh, Gobbo? A miserable early morning walk through Toytown and a look. Ha ha! No fun.
Oh, that's because everyone's still sleeping, Sly.
Exactly.
We should be sleeping too, Sly. What?
Come on.
Oh.
A jelly genius like me needs an early start. Especially when I'm mixing my new every flavour under the sun special. Who can lie in bed when there's this beauty to try? What? Oh, Bumpy. Oh, what's this? You want to play? Oh, careful. Ah! Oh, I say, rather tasty. A flavour explosion! Oh, a success! Try it, Bumpy. Play fetch with you? Not now, Bumpy. I'm much too busy. I've got 100 jellies to make before opening time. Busy, busy, busy.
Oh. 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 What? Fun? This early in the morning?
What? Where's my blanket?
Wake up, sleepyhead. We've got fun to spoil.
Oh, all right, okay. Have we had breakfast yet?
Got it! Run for it, Gobbo! Hurry up, Gobbo, get in! Why is he still chasing us?
Maybe he's after this.
Oh, get rid of it, Gobbo.
He's after us again.
Silly dog. He thinks we're playing fetch.
How sly.
Huh? We don't like water.
Morning, Toytown! Now it's time to play. Huh? Fetch, Bumpy, fetch! Oh, Bumpy? Why are you so tired? We've only just woken up.